Hello, you are highly welcome to another topic on poultry and livestock feed making. To make your poultry and livestock feed very cheap for you as a poultry farmer. In this particular video, I want to give you the top organic poultry feed ingredients for fast growth, natural protein rich diet guide for poultry and livestock farmers. All those ingredients that will give you the maximum results and benefit you need as a poultry farmer. Most of these ingredients and raw materials are within your environment, but you don't know them. I'm going to give you the simplest ones. I will not go too fast so that this video will not be too long. I don't want the video to be too long at all. Are you looking for a way to raise healthy poultry with rapid weight gain without any antibiotics? In this video, we are going to explore the top natural and organic feed ingredients you can use for broilers and layers to ensure optimal growth, immunity, and profitability. Learn the benefits, nutritional values, and ideal usage of each of these ingredients within your environment. They are within us. Some of them we eat them also. Some we eat them and throw them away. Some of them are waste for us. But here, you're going to know them today. Now, right away. And as I'm showing you, I will also show you the video of, or the picture of how they looks like. You know, we need corn. Corn is very important. We need yellow and white corn. There is a great difference between white and yellow corn. Please don't make mistake that they are all corn. No, it's only color that separate them. No, it's not only color that separate them. They have different nutritional compositions. Now, this is white corn. You can see this white corn here, and this is yellow corn. Let's start with this yellow corn. You can see this is pure yellow. This is yellow corn. Please don't make mistake that they are the same corn. No, if you see corn, make sure you ask which color. Yellow corn is very rich in energy. That's carbohydrate. It contains 8 to 9% crude protein and beta carotene. Contains vitamin A also. See it here. Now this is white corn. White corn is also very rich in energy. It contains 8% crude protein but lacks vitamin A, unlike yellow corn. You can see the difference here now. It lacks vitamin A, unlike the yellow corn. You see it? So if you are using yellow corn, you have already vitamin A in it. But you're using white corn, there's no vitamin A. And this is 8% crude protein, while yellow is 9% crude protein. You can see the difference. Now, others, you've seen the video, please. You've seen the picture of how they look like. Now we have soya bean cake. We have soya bean cake and soya bean meal. They are different. There is a great difference between two of them. Soya bean cake is high in protein, 45 to 48% crude protein, very rich in amino acid like lysine. While soya bean meal is highly digestible protein, 44 to 45% crude protein, used as a standard protein source in feed. Now, let me tell you how to make soya bean cake and soya bean meal. You see this soy oil used in your cooking. They are extracts from this soya bean. They have been extracted. You see soy milk and rest of them. All this juice and beverages you drink, they have been extracted from soya bean also. So the waste is what we call soya bean cake. Now, after removing the oil and the milk, now the full fats, we have full fat soya bean also. When you remove oil from the soya bean seed through industrial process, the leftover is called soya bean cake. But when you remove milk from the soya bean seed, the leftover is called soya bean meal. Now we have what we call full fat soya bean. Full fat soya bean is when you get raw soya bean seed, you toast it on fire like the way you toast granite. After toasting it, it will turn to brownish in color. Then you grind it. Everything is intact, both the milk, the oil, and everything is intact. That's what we call full fat soya bean. It is 38 to 40% protein and 18 to 20% fat. This one boosts the fat level of your poultry and energy of your poultry and livestock animals. So it has lesser protein but high in fat. You can see the difference here. Now, let's go to the next one, granite. You see, this is, you see granite itself. When you get groundnut now, groundnut seed, you toast it on fire. After toasting it, it turns, you peel off the skin. Now, you grind it. After grinding it, both the oil, the fat, and everything, ingredients are all intact. That is full fat groundnut cake meal. Full fat. Everything is intact. It has lesser protein, 40% crude protein. Now, the Granut Cake meal, GNC, is when the oil has been extracted. The leftover, most of them, they call it kuli kuli. I don't know what they call it in your own religion. Please, on the comment section, tell us what they call that leftover in your local language or in your locality. That leftover is what we call Granut Cake GNC. Now, it's very high in protein because the oil has been extracted. So the fat level have been reduced. Now what is left over is more of protein than fat. That is GNC, Granut Cake. Now we have industrially processed granite and locally processed. The one they use hand to press the oil out, you know that there is no way the hand can press the whole oil completely. That one has more of fat than the industrial process. Because industrial process, they use hydraulic press to remove all the oil. So it is totally off of fat. The leftover is just little or no fat at all. But the hand pressed has more of fat because there's no way you can use your hand and press the whole oil out. That oil contains more of fat. Now, we are through with that. Please, if you have any question regarding all my explanations here, please drop it in the comment section also. Now, the next one is pancake cake. You see the video see the picture of how it looks like when processed. Because all these ones, you need to grind them into the level your chicken can eat it, or your poultry and livestock animal, depending on the type of animal you are rearing. Now, the next one is pancake cake. You see pancake fruit. Now, you see after processing the fruit, remove the oil. The seed itself has a lot of nutrients for poultry and livestock feed. The kernel, when they break the kernel itself now can be processed industrially. The oil is removed for soap industry and those that use it for other industrial uses. Even cooking oil also. Removing the oil, what is left there is the cake. We call it pancake cake. So that pancake cake now has more of protein, up to 18 to 20% crude protein. It has very good fiber. That's very good for your poultry and livestock animals also. Now, when they use machine to remove the oil, the cake has little fat. But when they use ordinary hand to press the oil out, more oil is retained. So this is the one they use mostly to feed their pigs directly. It gives pig heavy weight. But for poultry, because the feed lasts and stays longer, if you use that oily one, it will not work because it's going to affect the feed quality. Short time the feed will spoil and get damaged. So the next one is fish meal. We have different stages of fish meal. You can see this. This is 72% crude protein fish meal. This is imported fish meal. It smells nice. It is imported one. Then we have different one. We have 62% fish meal also. They look alike, but let me tell you the difference. This particular one has no sand in it, but that local one, that local fish has more of bones. Bone is mixed up with bone powder, so it has more of sand inside it. So you are using 72% crude protein, you are going to use less of it because it is always very costly. So over 4,000 to 5,000 naira. Now this is 72%. We have 65%. They have also local fish and fish materials also. So depending on what you want to use. Now the fish meal contains high protein, up to 72% crude protein. It contains omega-3, contains calcium, contains phosphorus. While 65% crude protein contains 65% crude protein, slightly lower quality than that of 72. Lower than this imported one. This is imported one. This one comes with a bag. It is imported from other countries. It smells very powerfully. In fact, if you keep it here, all the rats in this community will come and visit you in the night. It is very powerful. Now, it has omega-3 also, and it is palatable. It makes the chicken or livestock feed palatable. make it attractive to the livestock animals. When they smell the aroma, they come closer to the feed. If you use to prepare fish meal, it wants to throw the fish into the feed into the water. All the fish, no matter where the corner of the pond, all of them will run to feed on it. Now the next one is tilapia meal. Tilapia meal is also a fish meal. It contains 60 to 65% crude protein, digestible by animals. It has good source of protein also, up to 65% crude protein also. It has omega-3 also, but it is lower in quality compared to 72%. That one, if you are using it, you have to use higher quantity of it compared to the one of 72%. Then we have another one, super one, is blood meal. Blood meal is not palatable like fish meal. Very high protein, 80 to 85% crude protein, rich in lysine. It has lysine, it has methionine also, and it supports rapid growth and growth of your poultry and livestock animals, both the tissues and muscles. But it is not easy to get, and it is not palatable. It doesn't have that aromatic smell. The next one is wheat offal. See the picture of how they look like also. Wheat offal is a waste from wheat. After processing the wheat, that waste, most of the times they throw it away in the bush even. It contains energy and fiber, 12 to 15% crude protein, which support digestion. Another one is rice bran. If you go to the rice processing zones, all these are very common and they are cheaper there. The rice bran contains 12 to 15% crude protein, and it contains very high fat, fiber, and very rich in fiber that improves gut health. Another one is bone meal. After processing the bone, how do you process the bone? Gather the quantity of bone, fresh bone you need. Sun dry it to dry very well. After drying it, burn it, set it ablaze, burn it completely. After burning it, that waste you see that looks like whitish color, like if it's charcoal. If it is wood, it will become charcoal. The charcoal of it is now what we call bone meal. You crush it to the powder level you need for your poultry and livestock animals. Bone meal is excellent for calcium and phosphorus, supports bone formation and skeletal formation of your poultry and livestock animals. And that one is eggshell. You know eggshell from after cracking of egg. That shell, if you go to all these eateries, this fast food, they have them in abundance. Get them there. Contains 38 to 40% calcium, carbonate, and it has gives a lot of strength to the bone of your poultry and livestock animals and the egg formation of your laying beds. And that one is limestone. Limestone is a source of calcium, 35 to 38% calcium. It is used for bone formation and eggshell formation also. The next one is salt, which is common salt we use. Salt provides sodium and chloride, essential for electrolyte balance and digestion in your poultry and livestock animals. I believe that this video is useful to you. And if you find this video very interesting and useful to you as a poultry and livestock farmer, please just give this video a thumb up right away and drop your comment. Tell me how you feel about this video. Do you like this video? Do you like such video like this? Let me know on the comment section. That will also encourage me to produce more video that will help you to run your poultry and livestock animals more profitably and to make you a rich poultry farmer. Because if you can make use of this products within your environment. Even the next one, I'll also tell you about pap waste. This waste from pap, after processing pap, it is useful. If you have it in your area, let me know in the comment section also. If you are into okpa, these people that sell okpa, this babara meal from babara nut, the waste after filtering it, it's useful also. If you have it in abundance in your area, let me know on the comment section. I'll also tell you the nutritional value of all this so that you can make use of them in your area. Others are very common, and any other one you think you have in your area that you don't know how to use them, please let me know on the comment section. Tell me where you're watching this video from, and make sure you buy our Eco Bio Booster. Probiotic for your poultry growth, maximum growth, no health issue, no disease, no synthetic medications, free poultry farming. No money, no waste of money on medications, no waste of money on buying drugs, no heartbreak that your chicken don't buy. No, that one no day again. Bible, your chicken will continue growing. You get 6 kg, 8 kg, 10 kg, and they don't have, their lifespan will increase also because they are purely organic products. No synthetic inside it, purely natural product also. Our feed booster is also here. These are made up of different natural plants. You can see it here. It is our Eco Bio Booster, feed booster, to increase the quality of your livestock feed. Are you buying commercial feed? Your chicken are having sudden growth. Your egg laying birds are not producing very well. Mix this to their feed and get the maximum result you need. You're going to achieve results within short period of time. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Then join our channel community membership. Just use your bank card and click join. Follow the process, enter the details you need to enter, and become a member of this particular channel. You get unlimited access to me to assist you in your poultry and livestock business. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers till the next video is uploaded. In this video, you are going to see a link on the to link you to the other video that is similar to this particular one, so that you can access the same video also. Benefit. Check the details of the particular video in the description level. You see the link. This particular video is there, so this video will help you to link you to the other video. This is our Eco Bio Booster. This chicken is only 6 weeks. This is 6 weeks. See it, very mighty chicken. This chicken weighs about 4.5 kg. 6 weeks, 4.5 kg. This is a male breed of cob, 700. This is our Eco Bio Booster. This is a product we use. Use this product and get amazing results today. It's a booster for your chicken. You can see this chicken alone, you can't carry it with one hand alone. You can see this is what you use as a poultry farmer. Buy it now and make use of it and get the maximum result in your poultry production. Cut it. Booster. Are you using commercial feed? Do you want to get the maximum result from that commercial feed, or are you making your own feed? This is our feed booster. This is the result we get. This is 6 weeks, 4.5 kg in 6 weeks. You can see the result. This is the feed booster. This chicken is very powerful. Heavyweight broiler. Can see it. Feed booster. See it. Buy it now. This is 1,000 grams and goes for 15,000 only. You can buy one packet and one carton of it is 12 pieces. We'll give you a discount. Get amazing result, powerful results with your chicken and your product. Thank you.